Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I love crafting, shopping, decor and makeovers. Thanks for tuning in. It's VE Day today, 80 years since World War II ended, and we've been having a few celebrations wearing the red, white and blue. Of course our local postbox people haven't let us down. We've got a lovely postbox there with a soldier and a sort of poppy display and the Union Jack flags and a nice big 80. So well done to that person, very impressed. And it makes a nice little patriotic corner in our local area. I'm going to do a little spring into summer home decor today, but I just wanted to start us off with a quick haul. I've popped to B&N, picked up another couple of those coastal lanterns. I got some white ones last time and I've picked up a sort of a bluish grey pair so I can mix and match them. Got these fantastic blooms. I think they're called pick your own arrangements or make your own arrangements. So the idea is that you buy all the little ones and put them together, which is exactly what I've been doing with them. I have been putting them in with other florals, but I think I might put those three together to create a nice little floral display. And I really liked this outdoor plate of palm leaves. It's a melamine plate, but I actually see its potential as a bit of a tray for putting candles on, or a vase, or something like that. So I could use it indoors, but I think I've got my eye on it for my spring into summer decor. So you'll see that in a little bit later as I take you around the house to see what I've done. So starting straight away with that arrangement, I've put them in this lovely vase jug, and I think they look fantastic there in the corner of the kitchen on a nice textured tray. Got a little bird and that gorgeous biscuit barrel that I got from Poundland last year in the shape of a lemon. I think that just sort of screams summer. And then I also have a lemon plate. I think I got that from Home Bargains last year for about £1.49 or something, and I'm using that to have my hand soap and my scrubbing brush on. A couple of chopping boards. I've kept the utensils fairly low key. Got a candle, a lot of wood texture. I've done a little refresh on the coffee bar. I've took away the rabbit mug and put my Be Happy mug in place. That's a nice summery mug. I've still got the garden mugs from Home Bargains and the yellow spoon rest, and I've kept the yellow plate and the botanical cups. I've bought a couple of coffee books from Vinted. I thought that's nice to go on the coffee bar and use it for layering. And then on the top shelf I've got a nice lavender plant and another lovely picture with the sort of tea coffee theme with some florals. So I think that's the big thing for summer, really, florals and lemons, of course. So I have a tray of lemons over here on my console table with some lovely lavender and purple flowers, and then my pebbles, my sea pebbles in my DIY lamp. I've kept over here sort of similar to the spring, but I've kept that tray. I think that's nice for the summer. In the hall, again, just keeping it simple, nice and clean and tidy. Lots of little florals, a little floral spritzer, some more of those arrangement flowers there, and some things I picked up from the range. A lovely marble tray I got from B&M, actually in the bathroom section, and a candlestick on there as well in the marble style. I think it's always worth having a look in the bathroom section because you never know what you might find. And then in the porch I've got the floral Wellingtons with some flowers in, and a nice floral cushion, and then just lots of greenery. A watering can, because that's always a classic for summer, and just those lovely greens and blues, pastel sort of colours. They work for spring and into summer. Some daisies there, and there's some greenery plants there covering up the gas meter. And then into the dining room, got another nice floral arrangement in the middle, actually utilising that tray that I got from B&M, or the melamine plate. And then I've got some lovely green chargers for the lovely green colour for the season, and some Poundland mats for those to sit on in the nice sort of I think they're tropical or palm leaf style, and I've got lots of greens, some olives over in the corner, and a lovely picture, and a nice lady in a green dress. So I'm just keeping it green with pops of yellow and lavender. Up on the landing, just got some botanical prints. I've just swapped those out. And then in the bathroom, I've got that lovely vase I got from Next not long ago. And then the office, I've got paint by numbers, lovely birds and floral picture. I've got my coasters that I made, the yellow ones, so using them as coasters, but also like for underneath for candles and ornaments. I've got some flamingos there on my bits and bobs shelves. A nice little floral picture on my desk and lots of little faux flowers here and there. So, just those lovely touches. I do enjoy sitting in my office, and, it inspires me when I'm making my crafts. Then on the settee, I've got these cushions I picked up recently from Next. I think they're quite spring and summer with their lovely light green fringe on them. And then on the wall behind the settee, I've got a lovely sea scene picture, which fits with the season. And then I've added, just a simple bird and a lovely candle on the coffee table, and then a lovely floral picture on the mantelpiece with a bird sitting on a couple of books with a magnolia branch. So I'm just keeping it simple, really. All the classic elements of decorating books and candles and different textures. And birds is a good key one, and some florally pictures. Lots of florals around the place, because that's the big thing. The garden, it sort of sums up the summer. So I have been out into the garden, and I have shared a short recently, so I'm just showing it here. I will be doing like a garden refresh and makeover soon. I have painted the arbour, rearranged the solar lamp that I've got, or not the solar lamp, sorry, the water fountain, and I will be doing some rearranging in the garden, so I will share that with you. The garden's looking great at the moment because everything's out in bloom. So I hope you've enjoyed that little summary look, and it's inspired you to make some changes to your house. So keep it fairly simple for summer. It's not as hectic as autumn and winter. It's a time to keep it nice and pared back, but with a few pops of lemon and lavender. So as always, thank you very much for watching. If you have subscribed, thank you very much. If you haven't, please consider doing so. Give me a like, drop me a comment, because I do love to hear from you. So until next week, take care. Bye bye.